Hello students, today we have stepping to a new subject, or else it's a new topic that is very useful for each and every competitive exam, that is reasoning, and the topic is number series. Okay, what is number series? That means the numbers which are arranged in a particular series and we need to get into a proper way. Okay, in this number series we are having different types and we will be learning in detail of each and every type and how they will be asking in exam. Okay, now before going into the number series, first and foremost thing you need to get is the squares and cubes. What? Squares and cubes. Nearly 1 to 50 squares you need to be get ready with this 1 to 50 squares. And one more thing, cubes are from 1 to 20 cubes. Okay, and in the next session I will give you how to learn this 1 to 50 squares in an easy way, and even cubes also. Okay, and this number series will be even asking in the forms of numbers, also in the alphabets, even in the form of alphabets. Okay, now we'll see number series. Okay, you know numbers, right? Alphabets, there will be again in this alphabets, these alphabets are being arranged in again in the different ways. Now first carefully listen this. First arrange all alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L and M, right? Again N comes, right? Don't write it here. Start again from here itself. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, it's done. Now number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. This means these two are one pair. These two are one pair and these two are one pair. Each is having a pair. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V, F, U, G, T, H, S, I, R, J, Q, K, P, L, O, M, N. These are the pairs, right? Now, we will see how the number series will be asking in the exam. I am having two different types of questions, how you need to solve. Okay, now type 1, this is the number series given and last it is a question mark and you need to tell what will be getting in this question mark place. Now see, now once observe how this series is being given. Now observe this: 19, 24, 18, 25, 17, 26, 16 and question mark. See, now compare first and second term, second and fourth term. Now compare the even terms, how it is there: -1, again -1, again -1. I'll tell you: 19, 24, 18, 25, 17, 26, 16 and what will be getting here. Now once check in the alternate way how the numbers are being arranged. How it is arranged: 19, 18, 18 to 17, 17 to 16. That means the number is getting decreased, right? Now in the other alternate way, how it is: 24, 25, 25 to 26. After 16, what is the number you will be getting? It is plus 1. For each alternate number, we are adding one number. That means after 26, you will be getting 27. 27 is your answer, right? This is one type of question you may ask. And either they may ask in a way that the alternate numbers might be like plus 1 or plus 2 or plus 3, either in the form of squares or cubes, or else like n square plus n square plus n cube form, and these all we will be learning in the higher levels, right? This is the basic level of the number series. Okay, now next is in an alphabetical series, right? Now we'll see how it is arranged. E, G, E, L, how it is there? E, L, F, A, comma, G, L, H, A, comma, I, L, J, A, comma, dash, M, L, N, A. Now, do you observe last letters of each word is A, common, right? Now you can, from this you can tell that the last letter you will be getting A. Now see the series here. E, after that G it has got. First E has got, after that E, G, I. What it is there? E. What is the number of E here? What is the number? That is 5. What is the number of G? 7. What is the number of I? 9. How it is there? We are adding plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. That means after 9, if you add plus 2, what you will be getting? 11. What is the 11 alphabet? K. That means K, right? Next, go to the next letter. L, 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 L. So next letter is L. Now see F, H, J. What is the number of F? 6. What is the number of H? S. Sorry, 8. Right? What is the number of J? 10. Now it is in the even numbers. Now 6, 8, 10. What is the number you will be getting? 12. What is the 12? L. So this is the answer of this one. Did you get? This is the another type, and this is the basic of each number series, and you will be having like different types of number series, and this is the basic and the first level of the number series. And in the next video we will be learning how to remember easily this alphabets and how easily we can learn 1 to 50 squares and 1 to 20 cubes, and how the level is being increasing of asking the questions in the competitive exams, how typically it will be, and how we can easily calculate within 1 to 1.5 minutes. And most important thing is, while doing the problems regarding reasoning, each and every question should be solved within 1 minute time, so that it will be very easy to calculate the other questions also. Okay, I hope you understand this video, and if you are having any doubts or queries regarding this reasoning or any subject, please do reach our email, that is theonlinepathshala@gmail.com, and the link is in the below. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to The Online Pathshala.